Here I have UMIDIGI F1, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter account section, tap on add account, then you have to select Google. Of course you will need internet connection to add Google account. So here you just have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Next you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last you just have to tap accept here. And after that account will be added. If you want to delete this account, just select it here and then tap remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.